Okay. I know you already sat down, but just stand up and kind of show me what range of motion you got in your back, what you can and can't do, where it hurt at, and then sit back down. We'll get started. And tell me what your pain level is. Oh man, she might need some help getting up. She wanted some support on the side to get up. Okay. All right. So it hurt to take a step and all that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's far enough. Everything, it's like a sharp pain, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, make your way back to the chair. That's enough. Let's see if we can get you some relief in a few minutes right now.
Yeah.
Take your time, sit down. I had to get the before to see where you were before we start, okay? All right. What's the pain level from 0 to 10? 10 being the worst.
I would say about a 9.
About a 9, that's all right. Okay, about a 9. Here we go. We'll come back in a few minutes and do an after testimony. We'll do some light therapy for her again. Look, 5 minutes.
You know what? Lord, my witness, Jesus.
5 minutes of light therapy on her back. On that one disc where she hurt me.
For real.
See what I'm saying, sis? Give them all your numbers so I come see them. Come see everybody.
Because I give it to her before. I give it to her.
Like, you saw when I first came up. For real. Oh,
Sis,
my
can you
Lord.
tell the camera for me what happened?
I don't feel that. I don't feel that stiff and hurt. Felt like something was pressing on my back. I'm telling the God on the street. Y'all saw me when I got up.
Yes.
God, my witness. Lord Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Put your number on the paper. I'm gonna give you a consultation.
Oh my God. I'm serious. Twerking.
Nah, he's twerking too.
Second night.
Hey, no, you lying.
Oh, second.
Still McCollum over here. Okay, we're back within 10 minutes. Light on your back. Can you just tell me what was going on in those 10 minutes as far as pain and everything that you felt?
I was feeling pain, but now I'm trying to move to see where the pain is. I don't want to find it, but
right.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Calvin. Oh my Lord.
Okay.
Hey, Brenda in here?
No, she's not in here.
Oh no,
it's okay.
have mercy.
Come on, I'm gonna get you.
Jesus.
You gonna get it by yourself? Or you want me to help you?
I don't think I need no.
Ooh, you
Oh
need
my
no
God.
Walk over there.
When I did that earlier, oh man, I can do my side to side. Oh my Lord. Let's see here. Let me walk.
And you walking fast too.
Oh my God. Look at Look at Kevin. You hear me? You hear me walking? Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay, I better overdo this. Oh Lord.
You don't overdo it, but I just want
my
you definitely
God.
got improvement.
Oh,
it was a 9 a few minutes ago. What is it now?
Huh?
What's the pain level now?
I don't want to say a 1. I don't.
You don't really feel no pain?
I really don't.
Take it slow.
Just feel a little, just stiffly, but I don't feel the pain.
Good. Okay.
I don't.
So just relax, let it rest.
Okay.
Enjoy it. But okay, real quick. Last time I did light therapy on you at the restaurant, we did a quick 5-minute sample, right? Mm-hmm. And you were dancing and having a good time.
And I feel like doing it now.
Don't do it, just save it. So look, by the time you were leaving, maybe an hour later, you would head to the parking lot. You said you made it clear across the parking lot without any trouble.
I walked all the way from where we was sitting at. I walked straight without holding on to anything, and I walked all the way out to the parking lot to where the car was at, without saying ooh, because I usually wait there and let my ride come pick me up
by the front door,
right there in the front door, and I walked there. And goodness,
awesome.
And I usually would. Now you know when I walk there and walk back, I'm not as much. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not as much tired.
Wow. Oh
and
my
goodness.
Oh
my goodness, I sure did. Oh my Lord.
Pop up off the couch. Awesome. So
oh Lord,
pain level real
I would
low.
love to feel like this every day.
So,
you know what? I want to thank God. I thank God. I thank God for you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my Lord, I really do. I thank God. I want to give you a hug.
Oh, it's all right, Mom. Okay.
Oh Lordy.
You're welcome. You're
Feel
welcome.
much better. Oh yes.
Okay.
I would tell anybody, and I definitely have some more people that can recommend this right here. And when they see me, Lord have mercy,
Yep.
because they know what I go through
Right.
and what I've been through.
See, people just don't know that there are options, and now it's like this the only option, ain't it?
Yes.
The doctor can't do this
This
for
is,
you.
I'm trying to tell you that. There ain't no doctor tell me. No doctor. They say take this, and the pain pill that they give me, it makes me drowsy. Don't make me. It feel like I don't want to do nothing. Can't really move. You know. I love this pain relief.
Awesome. Well, thank you so
I
much for your
really do.
testimony.
Oh, you missed it. What you think? What's up? I see. I see.
You see how fast you're moving.
Yeah, I think that you did it the first time. Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, man. Another testimony for Quantum Mental Health and Wellness.
Oh
Peace.
my God.